everyone, I am Sonakshi and today I am going to make a very popular Indian dish, Malai Kofta. So let's get started with today's recipe.
This is the ingredients list. 1 chopped onion, 2 teaspoons ginger paste, 3 to 4 garlic cloves chopped, 2 tomatoes. The quantity of tomatoes should always be double than the onions. 5 to 6 green chilies chopped, 3 to 4 small potatoes mashed, 1 bay leaf, clove, cardamom, cinnamon sticks, 10 to 12 cashew and vinegar. You can use lime juice also. Some garam masala powder, some jeera powder, turmeric, chili powder, salt and coriander powder. This is 1 liter of boiled milk and this is almost 2 cups of all-purpose flour. We'll now heat the milk. After few minutes of heating the milk, we'll add the vinegar. And we'll stir the milk continuously. Pour this over a sieve and let the water drain out. Pour some cold water over the chenna and let it cool. This is an alternative for your grated paneer in case you don't have paneer in your kitchen. In the meantime, we'll get our gravy prepared. Pour some oil and let it heat for 1 to 2 minutes. Once the oil has heated up, we'll put bay leaf, cloves, cardamom and cinnamon. We'll heat it for a few seconds and then we'll put some chopped garlic and heat it until it's slightly brown. We'll now add chopped onions and saute it until it's golden brown. The onions have started becoming golden brown. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, some green chilies and the chopped tomatoes. We'll put some salt over it. Add some water and let it cook for some time. Our tomatoes have started becoming soft. We will add our cashews. We will add a little bit of haldi, half a teaspoon, 1 teaspoon chili powder, half a teaspoon coriander powder, almost 1 teaspoon jeera powder. In medium flame, cook it for some time. All this mixture will be grinded, so not to worry. This is our masala that we grinded. Our masala is cooked and we'll make smooth paste out of it by grinding it in the mixer. Now we'll make the koftas by mixing mashed potato, chenna and our ginger paste. Mix it really well. We'll then add salt, turmeric, some jeera and a bit of coriander and a small bit of garam masala. We'll also mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Our mixture is ready. We'll now take small portions of this mixture and make it into round structures. The koftas are now ready and now we are taking it into a plate. The cooked masala has now cooled down and we'll now put this masala into a mixing jar. After grinding, the masala paste will look like this. Now we'll pour this paste into the frying pan and let it cook it. We'll now add water to the paste and make it this smooth gravy. We'll now add fresh cream. This is optional. You can skip this step. Our gravy is ready. We'll now pour the gravy over the koftas. Our tasty Malai Kofta can be enjoyed with steamed rice or hot chapatis.